Can you install Skool on your website? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. If you're considering using Skool for your community platform or course hosting, but you're wondering if you can install it directly onto your website, stick around, because we've got all the answers and we'll also show you some better alternatives that might be more suitable for your goals. First off, let's talk about what Skool is. It's an all-in-one platform that combines community engagement, courses, and coaching into one place. It's a solid tool if you want an easy, centralized location to run your programs, but here's the thing: Skool doesn't offer an option to install its software directly onto your website. Next thing to note, Skool is a cloud-based platform, meaning it's hosted on Skool servers, not yours. So, you can't just download and upload it to your site like you would with WordPress plugins or self-hosted solutions. Everything is hosted on their platform, and you access it through a subdomain like yourname.skool.com. This is a major limitation for businesses or creators who want full control over their website. Now, let's talk about customization. Skool does let you customize the look and feel of your Skool community pages, but you're still limited to what their platform allows. You can add your logo, tweak colors, and adjust the layout, but you can't dive into custom coding or truly embed it on your main website. If you need more advanced customization or the ability to add features to your website outside of what Skool offers, you're out of luck. The fourth thing to consider: some people really like the simplicity and ease of use Skool provides. It's beginner-friendly, which is great if you don't have web development skills. However, that simplicity also comes at the cost of flexibility. If you're looking to integrate Skool with your existing website in any advanced way, like embedding it directly or tying it to your own domain, you'll find it frustrating. So, if you're looking for alternatives that allow more direct control and better website integration, there are a few options. For example, platforms like Teachable and Thinkific give you much more control over your own domain and website integration. You can embed course pages, host your own site, and even customize with more flexibility. These platforms also offer free trials, giving you a chance to test them out before committing. Now, the real question: what if you need the best of both worlds, Skool's community features and the flexibility of integrating it directly on your own website? That's where I've got something exclusive for you. We've got a special extended free trial for Skool, but there are alternatives that are better suited for your goal of having full website integration and customizability. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Whether you decide to go with Skool or try out some of these alternatives, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the description for more details on getting started with a free trial today.